My dear friends, today in this video we will write essay on reading is good habit. This essay may help you to understand better how reading is a good habit. I am sure this video will help you a lot. So let's start. Reading is a good habit that every student should adopt. Habit of reading boosts our knowledge. It also helps in developing good communication skills. While reading you learn new words which is helpful to enhance vocabulary. Reading also develops good creativity and imagination power. Reading keeps us entertained and relaxed. A good habit of reading boosts our intelligence. It is also helpful in developing a good personality and moral values. Reading magazines and newspapers give us information about the world. Reading improves confidence and enhances our decision-making power.